लेसन नंबर 6। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मार्केटिंग डिसीजंस। वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द पास्ट दैट मार्केटिंग डिसीजंस have to be taken by the marketers and that they must take into account environment in totality. The decisions have not only to be right, but they must be taken at the right time. We will discuss marketing decisions in mainly four categories: product, price, place, distribution, promotion. The term marketing mix became popularized in the 62nd. The ingredients in marketing mix included product planning, pricing, branding, distribution channels, personal selling, advertising, promotions, packing, display, servicing, physical handling, and fact finding and analysis. The marketing mix. These four Ps are the parameters that the marketing manager can control, subject to the internal and external constraints of the marketing environment. The goal is to make decisions that center the four Ps on the customers in the target market in order to create perceived value and generate a positive response. Product decision. The term product refers product decisions. The term product refers to tangible physical products as well as services. Here are some examples of the product decisions to be made: brand name, function, styling, quality, safety, packing, repairs and support, warranty, accessories and services. Price decisions. Some examples of pricing decisions to be made include pricing strategy, scheme penetration, etc. Suggested retail price, value discounts and wholesale pricing, cash and early payment discounts, seasonal pricing, bundling, price flexibility, price discrimination. Distribution place decisions. Distribution is about getting the products to the customer. Some examples of distribution decisions include distribution channels, market coverage, inclusive, selective, or exclusive distribution, specific channel members, inventory management, warehousing, distribution centers, order processing, transportation, reverse logistics, promotion decisions. In the context in the context of the marketing mix, promotion represents the various aspects of marketing communication, that is the communication of information about the product with the goal of generating a positive customer response. Marketing communication decisions include promotional strategy, push-pull etc., advertising, personal selling, and sales force, sales promotion, public relation, and publicity. Marketing communication budget.